here should correlate nicely to this right here.
Yeah. Just trying to make it work. Can you see that now? Yeah. So, trying to make sure. Yeah, this looks like the same one as that one too. Okay, so that's the septum. That little groove right there is the septum pellucidum. Yeah. Okay, and then this little thing right here, the circle, the thick one is the corpus callosum.
And then the one posterior is the fornix.
This one? Yeah. That's the fornix. And then, sorry, I have to follow these lines over there. The little, where it drops off to a point, somewhere down here, is the, looks like the anterior cerebral artery. We don't need to know that, do we? No? Okay. Okay, then looks like this thing right here is the pineal gland.
Pineal.
Yeah, right there.
And then that thing is the hypothalamus. That area.
Okay.
And that's the cerebellum. And below the cerebellum is the fourth ventricle.
Right, somewhere in this area. Looks like, yeah.
Okay.
And then the hypo, when he said is really important, which,
The hypothalamus?
yeah.
That's what we just pointed to. It's that
Oh,
area.
that, okay.
Okay. So the optic chiasm and the optic nerve are at the bottom.
Oh, that's what he said that was. The optic chat, where's the nerve? The nerve is right above it, so it'd be like right here.
Wait, where's the optic chiasm?
This right here.
That, yeah.
And then like right here would be the nerve.
Okay. What about the
Fornix, septum, corpus, parietal lobe, that's up here.
pineal gland? That's important.
That one.
Okay. Yeah, we already heard that, didn't
What about the coronoid plexus? Do we need to know that one?
we?
Yeah, which is right here in this groove. Looks like.
Yeah. Right
Okay.
below the fornix.
Yeah, right below the fornix. Okay. And didn't you say these little tree-like things were the arbor vitae?
The tree-like is arbor vitae, and the other portion is the folia.
So the leaves are this part right here, and then the white matter is a tree, right?
Yeah. Okay, and then the aqueduct of the midbrain. We need to know that.
That looks like
It's kind of
right here. This thing? Looks like this thing right here.
or in between. Yeah, it's in between. It's in between.
Okay, so this right here.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the lateral third and fourth ventricles. Here's the fourth in this little section here. You can see where it splits here.
Doesn't the fourth connect to the third? Isn't that what he said?
No. The cerebral aqueduct connects the fourth and the third.
Okay.
So cerebral aqueduct. Is that another?
The cerebral.
Aqueduct of the midbrain. Okay, so this right here, but here's the fourth. I bet it goes under.
Maybe.
Yeah, see, it goes right here. It just goes in between. But this is the fourth, and this is the aqueduct right here, and then that's the
Third, I guess.
does it have the third on there anywhere? No.
Or it's either the first or the third.
It's the lateral, which is weird. Okay, I don't see the lateral either. Dr. Clement, where's the lateral and the third exactly? It's not on this picture. Sorry, guys.
Thalamus is right under the corner. So, I guess the thalamus.
So the first thing you want to do,
We found the fourth, which is right here.
so here's the fornix right
Yes.
here. So this would be like the right lateral ventricle, and over here this is your left. So these are your lateral ventricles are just anterior to the fornix.
Oh, okay. It's
And just-
called,
so-
okay.
So this is your lateral ventricles here and here. So see, you can see how, and we said the septum pellucidum is this little membrane that you can see right here.
Oh, so they're pretty much the same thing.
Well, it's a left and right side of the
Oh, I
lateral.
meant the septum and the.
So this is your thalamus right here. And this region right here, we said these are, see that dark material in there? That's the choroid plexuses of the third ventricle.
Okay.
So this is your third ventricle of the brain. This is your lateral ventricle of the brain. And this is your fourth ventricle. So see this right here? This is that cerebral aqueduct. See how that follows up through here?
Okay.
So this is the thalamus. This little pea-sized thing here is your pineal gland right here. See that? And if you draw an imaginary line from the thalamus here to the optic nerve here, this region right here is your hypothalamic region.
Okay.
Right in here. So this is your pituitary, and this is that infundibulum. See that stem right there? So this is the pituitary. So the stem of the pituitary is in very close proximity because the pituitary and the hypothalamus, they reciprocate.
Okay, back and forth.
Yes, a lot of communication between those two components.
Okay.
So the white matter shown here is your arbor vitae, and the gray matter is the folia, all respectively components of the cerebellum. So here we have the corpus callosum, the fornix, the thalamus, optic chiasma, the infundibulum, the pituitary gland, the pineal body. Here you can actually see some of this subarachnoid space, particularly right in here. Dura matter, arachnoid matter, and then pia matter right in here. Spinal cord, medulla, pons, cranial nerve 1, cranial nerve 2, cranial nerve 5, shown here. See the V right here, trigeminal. See how that makes a V? Trigeminal, meninges, pretty much everything.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything.
It's a pretty good brain.
Sweet.